Greetings from NeuronThemes. Ever wondered how to make a spectacular entrance on your website? Why not use an animated header? This over-the-top attention-seeking feature will help you gain the spotlight among your visitors and keep their interest in your website. In this video, we are going to go over how to use the animated heading and how to optimize its utility. Let's begin. We want our header shown here on this beautiful page, so let's make some room for it. Let's drag an intersection. We'll delete one column and we'll adjust the intersection settings. We will duplicate the intersection. Now we're all ready. First off, we will add a regular heading to match it with our animated heading. This is merely for design purposes. Let's tweak the typography options. And that's it. It's time we introduce the animated heading. Customary to other elements, you start off by dragging the element to the area you want the headline shown. The set of options available included in the Content tab, we have first here the style in which our heading will be shown. It can be either animated, rotating, or highlighted, all of them having their own set of animations. If we select rotating, you can choose the animation to either be typing or slide down. For this example, we will select highlighted. From the animation settings, you can see you have here multiple choices to select from. Next, you can type in before and after text of the highlighted word. We will only leave the highlighted text, which we will write it here. You can link your text to a specific URL or choose a dynamic link. Align the text either left, center, or right. And you can set its HTML tag as well. We will now move on to the Style tab. Note that each style will have its own respective options to style and design your text as per your likings. Here we have the heading section and the shape section. You can set the text color for the heading as well as play around with the typography options for both the regular heading and the animated heading. Let's set the style for our animated heading. Now from the next section, you can choose the color of the highlighted shape as well as the width. You can switch on the Bring to the Front option, which would have been useful for when you select either the strike-through or X shape. The Rounded Edges options is to apply rounded edges for the animated shapes. From the Advanced tab, we are going to add some padding values to place it neatly in our design. To show the full capacity of this robust feature, we will apply another text in a different style to match our design. Let's search again for the animated heading and drag it onto the page. From Style, we will go with Animated. You can choose an animation to either be by line or word. You can set the direction per row or per column. To elevate our design, let's set an animation for our text. We will go with Curtain Up. This will have a more edgy look to our design. You can select the animation duration as well as the animation delay, depending on your taste, of course. Let's add our text. This does not look good, but don't keep your attention there until we design it. Again, you can link your text as well as align it as per your desire. From the Style tab, you only have the option to set the color for the text as well as tweak the typography options. Well, see? Much better now. Designing your animated header is a breeze with all the tools you have at your disposal. Design and shape the headline and change the colors, the width, or typography. Have fun unleashing all that creativity of yours using this powerful feature. This concludes our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides and tutorials.